Are eating healthy and eating in a way that causes you to shed body fat the same thing? Well, not necessarily. To lose weight in a sustainable, permanent way, you will need to eat healthfully. But just eating healthy, however you define that, isn't necessarily going to give you the results that you're looking for. If you're confused about what is the correct way to eat to shed fat and increase your energy, watch my free training, How to Permanently Transform Your Body and Feel Better, by clicking the link somewhere around this video. You can watch the training and really learn my secrets on how to eat healthfully in a way that causes you to shed body fat. Okay, thank you so much for listening. I appreciate you, and I will see you on the next video. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is going to be up on the screen now. I will see you on the next one. Bye. Hello, my friend. Be sure to check out the videos that I've hand selected for you here and here. And also subscribe to my channel here. And if there's any video topics in regards to natural health and fitness that you would like me to speak about, then please let me know in the comments below. And also just say hi. I would love to meet you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.